Yo dudes, welcome to possibly the best vegan skewer I've ever eaten. This is so good, this is so tasty, and this is perfect for barbecue season. You know, it's based around whole foods. We're using tofu, we're using oyster mushrooms. It's remarkably tasty and easy to make. So here we go. Okay, first step, we're gonna take our skewers and we're gonna soak them in water. Might seem like a strange step, but by soaking them, it means that when you do cook them, they don't burn. So I'm just popping them in a baking tray like this. There's water in it, and I'm just taking a mug just to weigh them down. We're gonna leave the skewers aside while I make our Gomacio, which is a fancy word for toasted sesame seeds with salt. That is like a secret hidden bomb of flavor within this dish. So I have 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and I'm just gonna fry these at a medium heat on a dry pan just until they start to pop. It's pretty exciting. You know, it'll take about 5 minutes and then they'll just start to go and then turn it off the heat and we're ready to make our Gomacio. They're lovely and brown now, starting to smell fabulous. Okay, time to put them in our pestle and mortar. If you don't have one, simply put them in a Ziploc bag and bash them with a mug. Okay, in on top of this might seem overly simplistic, but it's such a wonderful condiment that just adds such flavor and really is kind of like a secret ingredient to this dish. So take a generous pinch of salt and we're gonna pop it in. I'm using a coarse salt because it'll provide more texture. And we're gonna grind this up until it's a lovely powder. Oh, what a smell. So you're gonna grind them up until you get a nice texture where it's more like powder. There's the occasional seed. Okay, next step, we're gonna make a marinade to marinate our oyster mushrooms and our tofu. So into our marinade, I am putting in 2 cloves of garlic that I've diced nice and finely, 3 tablespoons of our Gomacio, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and just give it a good mix. Okay, time to prepare our veg. We have oyster mushrooms. We're gonna chop them into nice little 1 centimeter long chunks. And we're gonna prepare our tofu into lovely little cubes. That'll be perfect for our skewers. So I have 150 grams of tofu that I've just chopped into nice, approximately, I'm gonna go, that's 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters cubes. And the reason why it's sitting in paper is just that it'll dry any moisture out so they'll fry better. So we're gonna pop them into our marinade and leave them to marinate while we make our teriyaki sauce. So as with any marinade, you really wanna make sure you get in there and make sure everything's starting to stew and absorb that flavor, because the oyster mushrooms are really absorbent, as is the tofu, so really get it in there. Just make sure not to crumble the tofu while you do this. Okay, what makes these total flavor bombs is we're gonna make another sauce which we're gonna brush on when we go to char these. So we're making a simple teriyaki sauce. Into our bowl, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. This will give that lovely glazed effect. We've 1 clove of garlic and half a thumb-sized piece of ginger, which we've diced nice and finely and just mixed together. We're gonna add them into the bowl. We've 2 teaspoons of tomato puree or tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of magic black sauce, also known as tamari or soy sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and finally we have 2 teaspoons of corn flour. That's gonna add a bit more of viscosity and make it a little bit more thick and a little bit more kind of glaze, kind of just a thicker sauce. So we're gonna give that a nice mix before we do our next step. Okay, time to fry off our marinated tofu and oyster mushrooms. If your pan is big enough, pop them all in and fry them all at the same time. If it's not, just do them in batches. We're gonna fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're nice and brown. Oh, look at that for a nice char. Okay, I'm gonna pop them down. Oh, look at all that char. So if you're gonna have a barbecue later, just stop here. This is all your prep done. We're nearly ready to go. These oyster mushrooms, like, although they only have half their sauce applied, they are so meaty, so juicy, and just exploding with flavor. And they're gonna get even better. Okay, we've got a griddle pan for the next step. I've put it on the heat. While it's heating up, I'm gonna get our skewers ready. Okay, this is the fun bit, and this is where you can get artistic and play with it. I'm gonna layer them on 2 oyster mushrooms, piece of tofu, 2 oyster mushrooms, piece of tofu, 2 oyster mushrooms, piece of tofu, and then top them with some onions and some scallions, also known as spring onions. And then we're gonna pop on our teriyaki sauce. Et voila! Look at that for grizzly, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna repeat that with 4 more, and obviously increase the recipe if you wanna make loads of these. Okay, skewers are done, they look magnificent. Okay, time to apply our marinade. If you can use a pastry brush, it's a little bit more polite, but if you can't, just pour it on and dollop it over. We really wanna just make sure this kind of teriyaki glaze goes over the top where it goes crystallized and just magnificent. I've turned the heat down and we're gonna pop them on just to get them nice and charred and glistening. One. Okay, I'm just gonna flop them around. Oh, look at that. Just here, if you can press them down a little, you're gonna get more even cooking. Oh, they smell amazing. The glaze has gone beautifully. Obviously, if you are more sensitive to heat, use the tongs, don't use your hands. But they just look incredible. Look at those. And final touch, if you want to, just sprinkle a little bit of our Gomacio. Okay, now for the moment I have been really waiting for. These smell fabulous. Like, even the oyster mushrooms look so grizzly and just, oh. Okay, anyway, without further ado, here we go. It's so grizzly, it's so chewy, it's really sweet, it's tangy, it's umami, it's like so satisfying. Like, this is one of the nicest things I've eaten in a long while. Anyway, I'll try my best not to talk my mouth full, but thanks a mil for watching this. If you've made it this far, please do cook this. If you do, tag us on social media, because it gives such, I don't know, it's lovely seeing people cook the food and enjoy it. Thanks for watching this. If you're looking to learn more, we do have lots of online courses that are fabulous, and wishing you a wonderful day ahead. Cheers!